I do hope that you will learn something today. Try to make a Japanese egg omelette. And don't worry about the shape, guys. Making it open will make you perfect. Just give it a try. Thank you for watching. See you on my next videos. Mata ne! Bye bye! See you again!